Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading, comparing Robinhood Crypto versus Binance, two of the most popular platforms out there. Which one is the easiest and best for trading crypto in 2025? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about Robinhood Crypto. Robinhood has long been known for its user-friendly interface in the world of stock trading, and its crypto platform follows the same ease-of-use design. Robinhood Crypto allows you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and several other popular cryptocurrencies. The biggest draw for Robinhood is its commission-free trading, meaning there are no fees for buying or selling crypto. The platform also has a streamlined, simple design, making it perfect for beginners who are just getting into crypto. Robinhood's instant deposits and user-friendly mobile app make trading quick and easy, and it integrates seamlessly with your stock account if you're already using Robinhood for traditional investments. On the other hand, we have Binance, which is one of the largest and most powerful crypto exchanges in the world. Binance offers an extensive list of cryptocurrencies, including altcoins, that are not typically available on other platforms. It has advanced trading features like spot trading, futures, staking, and margin trading, making it an excellent choice for intermediate and advanced users. Binance also supports a wide range of fiat to crypto pairings, allowing you to buy crypto using different currencies. While the platform offers a robust mobile app and a desktop version, its interface can be overwhelming for beginners. However, it does offer a basic trading mode for new users, which helps make the transition to more advanced features smoother over time. So, how do these two platforms compare? Robinhood Crypto is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a no-frills, easy-to-use platform to buy and sell major cryptocurrencies. The platform's commission-free trading and simple interface make it a solid option for those just starting in the crypto world. However, keep in mind that Robinhood does not allow for crypto withdrawals to external wallets, so you can't transfer your assets off the platform. Binance, on the other hand, is a better choice for those looking for a more comprehensive crypto trading experience. With its advanced trading features, huge variety of coins, and low trading fees, Binance is ideal for intermediate and experienced traders. While its interface may seem complex at first, it offers tools and features that are perfect for users who want more control over their trading. To sum it up, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, simple platform, Robinhood Crypto is the way to go. But if you're after advanced features, a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and low trading fees, Binance takes the crown. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.